G'day guys, I'm down here in the veggie patch and my chilli bushes have bloomed again. You can see they've got little white flowers all over them and heaps of red chilies. So I'm out here collecting. I've got quite a few just off these couple over here in the corner. I'm pretty happy. They've shot right up. They're really tall now. Again, ready to bloom, which is great. I've collected the seeds from those little chives there. They've been blooming for a while. So I'll grab those seeds. They'll be handy to pop in the next lot. I found a little basil plant that's come up. Yeah, looking really good. Still a few weeds in them, down for a couple of weeks. And this was a lovely little surprise. I thought I'd share it with you and enjoy some chilli goodness with me. Haven't seen many at the markets or anything. It's been very hot here recently. So if you want some chilies, Nana has chilies. Alright guys, take it easy. Have a beautiful afternoon, beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you are. Enjoy and God bless.